Weren't those potato kids impressive? I mean, some kids have newspaper routes or a lemonade stand, but not them. After school, they are picking and selling potatoes. And all these potatoes, they've got me thinking about breakfast. A little breakfast for dinner. To go along with these potatoes today, I picked up some greens, some eggs, and some ham. This is pancetta. The fattiness of that is going to crisp up these potatoes perfectly in the pan. It's got a saltiness to it that's just going to infuse the entire dish. Even though I'm gonna start with that fatty pancetta, I'm gonna use a little bit of olive oil to make sure it doesn't stick. I love that sizzle. As this renders down in the pan, all the meaty parts are gonna get super crispy, and all the fatty parts are gonna turn to butter. Well, this pancetta is ready to receive the potatoes. Now I've got a lot of deep and intense flavors in that pan already, so I need something that's gonna be pungent enough to really stand up to it. Garlic. To go along with that garlic, some leeks. They're a nice milder onion, but I think it's gonna really work to build the flavors in this dish. Potatoes love smoked paprika. That's gonna work really well with pancetta as well. And some celery seed. The celery seed is kind of earthy. It's gonna work really well with all the rich flavors going on in this pan. I'm gonna use some of those lamb's quarters that I picked up from Sean. I was so impressed that he had these at the market. I've never seen anybody sell them before. I know them as a weed that grows all over the area. And now that I know that you can cook with them just like spinach, I'm gonna be out harvesting wherever I can find them. Now this lamb's quarters is not gonna take very much to cook at all, so I'm gonna make a little resting space for my eggs to go into. Little salt and pepper. Oh, that goat's feta that I picked up today. And this will just need to cook for a few minutes. Oh, this smells delicious. Everything is crisped up. Those eggs are cooked. Cheese is melted. I'm getting a plate. If you have not had the opportunity to cook outside, I definitely recommend this. All the smells, the sounds, nature and cooking colliding. It's quite special. I'm gonna top with a little extra cheese just for good measure. A little pinch of that smoked paprika. All this dish needs is a glass of white. This is why I love breakfast for dinner. It's kind of like why I enjoy brunch, too. All right. Oh, all of these textures, the flavors, the aromas. There is so much going on in this dish. Got earth, a little spice, some brightness, crispy potatoes. All of this happened in one pan, and that makes cleanup really easy. A little more time for this and for that.